you can still be happy. So that's what we have
We
to
use the same strategy. Same, or you will
I think may mga there are mga strategies best or better than what
more strategies. So it's good that you presented your objectives before you implement your lesson, and hope you follow the correct format of lesson planning. And give some follow-up questions for the pupils to answer and for them to understand the lesson very well. So congratulations again, sir, and good job. Thank you, sir.
Done your work. Good. And wait. Hit the target. Hit the start situation. And go to the task and the result. Will explain well and catch the attention. So, if you give it a chance, there's left. Two vectors are going to be two regular.
given a chance to choose one,
That is one of
I will choose grade one. Not because kaya nagsimula sa lahat ng grade one. Because sir, I believe that they say that grade one is the best teacher. We know. Grade one is the best teacher, and sa grade one, sir, the foundation, the learning foundation of the children is not I think that it's very challenging task, difficult, but I am willing and I am willing to teach in grade one.
Well noted. Because of your ability and tips, we will get it. Again,
So we have our two tests. We will give it the back of our teachers. Service one and service four. And in the way of the exam, they will also be observed by the supervisor, ma'am, then okay, so let's start with service four. Sure.
handle this demonstration this year and to the learners for the active participation.